So boring today. Hello, my name is Yuki. I like to cook. Let's make a simple snack today, using only 2 ingredients. Put condensed milk into a bowl. Add cocoa powder that has been filtered little by little. Stir the mixture until thick. Put it in a container. Chill in the refrigerator for a while. Take out the dough. Cut into squares using a knife. Finally, sprinkle some more cocoa powder to make it even more delicious. This is sweet chocolate. Makes my day even sweeter.